What's going on, everybody? This is Chaz with Homegrown How To. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be talking about lawn stripes and how to mow them. So just to give you an update on the lawn, I did throw down some sea kelp and also added in some liquid iron to the lawn. The color is already coming in nice. It's looking pretty good. I'm really happy with the way it's turning out. I got both of those products from my local co-op. Really good deal in comparison to other top products out there. I was able to get 2.5 gallons of iron for $20, which is unreal. So pretty happy with that find. Something I'm going to continue to use. But let's get back to the lawn stripes. So today I'm going to be showing you how to mow single double stripes. This is one of my favorite mow patterns. It's just super clean, and I'm going to give you some tips, some tricks, things you'll need, and what to do to make those stripes pop. So I'm going to show you what you need to make your lines go from this to this. So some important things to note when you're mowing stripes is the grass blades laying down and away from you are going to be the lighter stripe, and the grass blades laying towards you are going to be the darker stripe.
So to make your pattern, you're going to mow a straight line, and then you're going to do an opposite direction, and then you're going to follow that first line again. And then you're going to make a wide turn and follow your second line all the way down to get your double stripe. We'll continue this pattern throughout the lawn.
And another thing you're going to want to know is your stripes are going to pop a lot more when the sun is facing your back. And just a quick tip, the more you go over those stripes, the more defined they're going to be. So again, sun behind you, lay your stripes, that's going to be popping. Now something else you're going to need is something heavy to lay those grass blades down. I have a stripe kit from Big League Lawns. They do make stripe kits specific for your mower. I am not affiliated with them. I purchased this product myself and I love this stripe kit. It is amazing, does a great job. Now I have seen people create their own DIY stripe kits using PVC pipe, different things like that do a pretty good job as well. So if you're creative or want to see some of those videos, you can look up DIY stripe kits. But the Big League Lawns stays in place really well, makes nice defined stripes.
So the first thing I do when I start mowing is I make a good perimeter pass. This just ensures that I have enough room to make some turns and keep things clean.
I think that about wraps it up for how to mow single double lawn stripes. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful or informative at all, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a good day.